1 inches for August. The total precipitation for the year now stands at 27.83 inches, which is 8.70 inches. Temperature for today is 92 degrees, and the normal low is 73. The record high for today is 1931, and the record...
Here we go, here we go! What the frick?
This is a weekly test of
Here we go!
Specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending severe weather and forecasters for the Florida Panhandle, Southeast
What the frick?
Southwest and South
You decided to activate for 6-hour rain warning.
These receivers are normally conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon local time. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the
What the
next
frick?
available non-severe or non-weather day. Reception of this broadcast.
What? What do you want? Okay.
For watches and warnings affecting the Florida Panhandle, Southeast Alabama,
521's having a
Southwest and
seizure
South
right
Central
now.
Georgia. This concludes the weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio Warning Alarm and Emergency Alert System for the entire county warning area serviced by the Tallahassee Weather Forecast Office. Corrective order of disturbances for the North Atlantic, Caribbean Sea, and the Gulf of Mexico. The tropical weather outlook. Significant development of this system.
Okay, let's go over on what went off. Okay, so the 1630D went off for 30 minutes. I'm not sure if they actually conducted it for 30 minutes or if it was just a freaking error. Okay, the WX500 went off 996. The 1630B, the V474-200, the black EAR-10, the 2004-261, the 2003-261 went off. The white EIR-10, the 251, the 250, the V5, okay, I understand. Okay, the 1650A went off. The 382 decided to decode it for a 6-hour marine warning, just like the 521 would have. And the 521 didn't even go off.
Thursday. Appears somewhat conducive for some slow development over the far eastern Atlantic through the weekend.
The 521 didn't even go off. The 67 didn't. And neither did any of the V5s. The 258 is dead. But okay, so I'm gonna end this video because why?